All right, now I'm setting up my other Blink cameras, and these are going to be actually wall mounted. Now that is a D-Link camera that I bought roughly 8 years ago, and it's a good camera. I like the app, and I like all the features on it. It's a free app. The camera actually, I think, cost at that time like $65, so it was actually kind of a more pricey camera. But it does good. We just wanted a better picture, so we decided to switch to these new Blink cameras. They have a little bit better picture quality, and we just like them better. So I was taking the old one off. It goes in with 2 screws. The new bracket for the new Blink camera has 2 screws that hold the bracket on as well. I was hoping they'd line up perfectly, but that would have been a miracle. So I just used the one hole, and you'll see I will have to drill out the other hole. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 screw in on one side using the old hole and the old wall anchor. And then I will go ahead and mark the new hole location. And I didn't have a pencil with me, so I just grabbed the screw and just kind of make a little mark with the screw to mark the hole. And then I'll get my drill and drill the hole for the wall anchor. So I'm just going to reuse the old wall anchor. So here I am taking it out of the wall, and then I'll drill a new hole and then put it in the new hole. And the main reason I'm using the old wall anchor is that the new Blink cameras do come with screws, but they don't come with wall anchors, which I think is kind of lame. What would it cost them to throw in a couple wall anchors? You know, they're made out of plastic, they don't cost much. Not everybody has them. I have a whole bunch, but I just chose to reuse what I had. But a lot of homeowners, see, there's the wall anchor. A lot of homeowners won't have, you know, these wall anchors at home. See, the pack only comes with screws, no wall anchors. So here I am with my drill bit. I can't remember what size it is. So I drill the hole, and then I fit the wall anchor in there and just kind of tap it in with the back of the screwdriver. You can use a hammer to do that if you want. But it's very simple to install a wall anchor. So now I line up the bracket with the other hole and get the screw in there and tighten it down nice and good. And I don't have to really worry about it going anywhere. The wall anchors are going to hold pretty good, and the screws are going to hold pretty good as well. So now I got to set up the USB cable. One end plugs into the wall outlet adapter that it comes with, and the other end plugs into the back of the camera. And it's very simple. You can't mix the two ends up because they only fit in to the one part. And so I like to straighten it out. It was pretty crinkled up there from being in the packaging. So you just plug the one into the wall adapter and the other side into the camera. And then, so just a little tip, there's a QR code on the back of the camera. So you see it has power now. and it's starting up. And now it's ready to be linked to the app. So there's a QR code right there where I put my finger. Now, if I put this on the wall now, I won't be able to scan the QR code with the app and get it downloaded to the app correctly. I put it on the wall and show you what it looks like on the wall here, but I actually already scanned the QR code and got it on my phone already. So I already did that part. So make sure you don't forget to do that if you're using that back connection for the bracket. Oh, here's a funny thing. I forgot to put the ring cover on to the mounting bracket there, so, you know, I forgot it. So I had to take it back off and do it again. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support. Hit the like button. Thank you very much.